Alright, so what are we doing this weekend?
I don't know, man. What do you want to do?
I say we go camping because the weather's awesome.
Sounds good, but I'm gonna need a couple things, man. I'm gonna need a jacket, a new pair of boots.
Acme General Store, it's right down the street.
Really? I thought that was a hardware store.
No, it's more of a backpacking store, outdoor gear, clothing, sunglasses. Really cool.
Awesome, man. Let's go. Tab, please.
Hey guys, how are y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. What can I help you with?
Well, we're going camping this weekend, and I'm gonna need a couple things. I'm gonna need some warm boots, a nice sleeping bag, and a new jacket.
All right, perfect.
Yeah, man, I got everything I need, man. They really hooked me up.
And they got good ice cream.
Yeah.